All right, everybody, welcome to option C here, geography. So you are a city planner in the late 1800s. You have been tasked with designing a city map that shows how your city is laid out. Remember to think about important elements of cities at the time: homes, government, transportation, and entertainment for the residents of your city, and make sure that your city is easy to get around for everyone. So first off, you'll see you have a lot of empty squares here, and how you type in these squares is very simple. All right, I'm going to show you how to do it. So I'm going to drag my box up here real quick. I'm going to go to insert. I'm going to go insert, and I'm going to come over here to, oh, excuse me, I'm going to come over here to, try and drag my box here to text box. You get a text box here. You click simple text box is fine. And then you'll see you get a text box. Now you can make this bigger or smaller to fit your box, but you can simply type in the box, all right, whatever it is. You can put factory, um, baseball, arena, whatever you want, okay, whatever you're putting in that box, and you just drag it to there, okay? So that's the first step, all right? That's the first step of dragging and dropping those text boxes. The next part is you have to have each of the following on your map. I'm going to say that again. It's highlighted in yellow. You have to have each of the following on your map: 4 tenement houses, 1 city or town hall, 3 factories, 2 types of mass transit, whether they be a subway station, an elevated train, a trolley station, whatever you want, and then 2 types of entertainment. Could be a sports arena, could be a music theater, could be a museum, could be a department store, something like that that people use for entertainment at the end of the 1800s. Now, you'll probably notice that you'll have a few more boxes, and that's fine, because you can use the buildings for whatever you may want. You can make them an amusement park if you want. You can make it a city park if you want. You can make it another type of, you can make it a fire station or a police station if you want. But design the city so it kind of makes sense, right? Remember that people would want to be close to where they're working for their factories. Maybe they don't want to be next to a factory if they're going to the baseball game, right? Maybe they don't want to have their tenement house necessarily right next to the train station. So think about how you would design a city and how you would want to live in that city in the 1800s. Good luck and have fun.